How to set up Siri on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and then tap on the Siri option. Further, go ahead and tap on the Talk to Siri option you see there and then set it to Siri or Hey Siri or set it to Siri. Further, tap on the Enable Siri option you see there and you will then be required to select a voice. So go ahead and select a voice and then tap on the next option on the top right of your screen and then tap on the continue button. You will then be required to simply read the commands shown on the screen in order to enable Siri. So simply go ahead and read all the commands shown on the screen, and once Siri has been enabled, you can simply say Hey Siri in order to activate Siri, and Siri will do the needed for you. So this was about how you can set up Siri on your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.